Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Face ID or Face Unlock not working on your Android phone. So let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Clean your front camera. A lot of times Face ID doesn't work just because your camera is dirty or smudged. So grab a soft cloth and wipe the front camera gently. Solution 2. Make sure there's enough light. Face Unlock needs a good light to detect your face properly. So if you are in a dark room, move somewhere brighter to turn on light. Also make sure your whole face is visible. Solution 3. Restart your phone. Simple but effective. Just press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. Then tap on restart. And once your phone is back on, try Face Unlock again. Solution 4. Remove and re-add your face again. Sometimes your saved face data gets corrupt. Here's what to do. Go to Settings app. Then tap on Password and Security. Tap Face Unlock. Delete your all face data and then set up it again in good lighting. Solution 5. Update your system. If there's a software bug, it can miss with Face Unlock. Go to Settings app. Then scroll all the way down and tap on System. Then tap Software Update and install any update is available. Solution 6. Reset all settings. Go to Settings app. Then tap on System. Tap Reset Phone. Then tap Reset Wi-Fi settings. Again tap on Reset to confirm. Don't worry, it won't delete your photos or apps. It just resets your system preferences. And that's it. Try these fixes one by one and your Face Unlock start working again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.